How to cancel an Expedia hotel reservation. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in today's guide video I'll show you how you can cancel an Expedia hotel reservation. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you plan to go to some other place next month and that's a bummer, but if you booked your hotel via Expedia, then at least you can cancel the reservation quickly and in most cases without incurring any fees. Now that is as long as you're inside the property's allotted cancellation window, because every hotel has different cancellation policy, which in most cases is just a few days before the start date. Now once you do that, what you want to do is to cancel your hotel on the Expedia site. Go to expedia.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link and log into your account on your Mac or PC. Next, you have to click on the My Trips at the very top of the screen, then select the option called Upcoming on the next specific page. Once you go to My Trips and choose the option called Upcoming, click on the hotel booking that you're looking to cancel, then click the cancel reservation button and then confirm your action. But keep in mind that there are some policies. If you're eligible, you'll find and you'll be able to cancel the reservation. That's all it takes to cancel your Expedia hotel reservation. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.